Question number 7. Point P 3, minus 5 is reflected to P dash in the x-axis. Also, P on reflection in the y-axis is mapped at P double dash. Find the coordinates of P dash and P double dash. Compute the distance P dash, P double dash. Find the middle point of the line segment P dash, P double dash. On which coordinate axis does the middle point of the line segment P, P double dash lie? Given P is equal to 3, minus 5 and coordinate of P dash find the coordinates of P dash and P double dash. Coordinate of P dash when point is reflected to P dash in x-axis. When point P is reflected in x-axis, that is equal to, in x-axis point of x is as it is and y will be negative, negative, this will be positive. So P dash is equal to 3 and minus plus. And also P on reflection in y-axis and P on reflected in y-axis. Then P double dash is equal to y-axis means minus 3 and minus 5. This will be negative and minus 5 is as it is. So coordinates of P dash is equal to 3, 5 and P double dash is equal to minus 3, minus 5. This will be negative and minus 5 as it is. Compute the distance of P dash, P double dash, that is equal to P dash is equal to 3, 5, P double dash is equal to minus 3, minus 5. So by distance formula, x1 y1 and x2 y2, that is x2 minus x1 square, x2 is minus 3 and x1 is 3, this will be negative 3 square, plus y1 is minus 5, y2 is minus 5 and y1 is 5, minus 5 raised to power 2, that is equal to 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 are 36, plus 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 tens are 100, which implies we get 136. So 136 prime factors is 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8. Then we get, which implies we get 2 into 34 with root, and which implies distance of p double dash is equal to 2, one pair of 2 is common, and 2 root 34 units. Answer. Third part. Find the middle point of the line p dash p double dash. Coordinate of middle point of the line segment p dash p double dash is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, that is 3 minus 3 upon 2, comma 5 minus 5 upon 2, which implies we get 0, 0. Answer. Fourth part. On which coordinate axis does the middle point of the line segment p and p double dash is equal to, p is 3 comma minus 5 and p double dash is minus 3 and minus 5, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2, 3 minus 3 upon 2, comma minus 5 upon 2, x1 plus x2 upon 2 plus comma y1 plus y2 upon 2, which implies we get, that is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0 divided by 2, that will be 0, minus 5, that is minus 10 upon 2, and this is divisible by 5. So we get 0 comma minus 5. Answer. Given point p is equal to 3 comma minus 5 is reflected to p dash on the x-axis. Coordinates of p dash is equal to, p dash is equal to coordinate of p dash in x-axis, point of x as it is and point of y will be negative, multiplying by negative sign, minus 5, this will be positive 5, and p dash is equal to 3 comma positive 5, and p on reflection in the y-axis is mapped at p double dash. So p on reflected in y-axis, p is 3 comma minus 5, and which is reflected in y-axis, so coordinate of x will be multiplying by negative sign, so 3 will be minus and minus 5 as it is. So p double dash is equal to minus 3 comma minus 5, and distance of p dash p double dash is equal to, p dash is 3 comma 5 and p double dash is equal to minus 3 comma minus 5. So we are using by distance formula that is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. X2 is minus 3 and x1 is 3. Minus 3 square plus minus 5 square. Minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 6 raised to power 2, that is equal to 36. Plus minus 5 that is equal to minus 10. Minus 10 raised to power 2 is equal to 100. And 100 plus 36 is equal to 136. And we are factorizing 136. Which implies root 136 and prime factors of 136 is equal to 2, 68 2s are 136 and 2, 34 2s are 64. That is equal to 2 into 2 into 34. One pair of 2 is taking common and we get 2 root 34 units answer. And coordinate of middle point of the line segment P dash P double dash is equal to y. Midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2. x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. 3 minus 3 upon 2, that is 0 upon 2, that is equal to 0. And y1 plus y2 upon 2, 5 minus 5 upon 2, that is 0 upon 2. So answer is 0, 0. And fourth part, on which coordinate axis does the middle point of the line segment P dash lies? Middle point of the line segment P dash is equal to, by midpoint formula, P is equal to 3 minus 5 and P double dash is equal to minus 3 minus 5. x1 plus x2 upon 2. 3 minus 3 upon 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 divides 2 is 0. And minus 5 divided by 2. Minus 5 that is equal to minus 10. And minus 10 divides 2, that is 5 2s are 10. And we get the required points equal to 0, minus 5 answer. Thank you.